Hi everybody, welcome to Coláiste College of Further Education. My name is Lorraine Harton and I'm a tutor here at Coláiste. So over the next couple of minutes you're going to hear from staff from each department in the college. So if you want any more information about any of the courses that you've seen here today, then you can go to our website, which is www.cdcfe.ie, and you'll get all the information you need there.
Hello, my name is Shane Ahern. I'm the head of the science department at Coláiste College of Further Education, and I'm just going to explain basically all the science courses and the engineering courses that we have. So the first course I'm going to talk about is the DCU Access course, right? So this is a one-year course that allows you access to do a host of Bachelor of Science courses in DCU. The entry requirements for this course are an O4 in maths or a H7 in maths. In getting those, you can get into our course and you do 7 modules. Modules that you do are physics, chemistry, biology, all the sciences. Then you do maths, and then you do laboratory skills, you do communications, and then you do learn to use the Office suite, Excel, your PowerPoint, and Word course. That course, as I said, is very much for just direct entry into DCU, right? So if you get a merit average that's 65% or more, you're going directly into DCU. The second course I'm going to talk about is the QQI Level 5 Common Entry Science course that we have. So there's 9 modules that you'll do in this course. And this course is very much geared towards either getting into work in the laboratory or using the points that you get to get into university. So the modules that you'll do are all the sciences, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, and then you'll do work experience and communications and 2 specialist subjects, microbiology and anatomy and physiology. The final subject then is laboratory skills, which is the kind of practical based subject that you're doing in the lab. The last course I'm going to talk about is biotechnology, a 2-year HND program. The thing about this program is that it allows advanced access into the 3rd year in Sligo IT. You're kind of very much in the lab, and it's geared towards getting you work as a lab technician, right? Working in a lab in the future, or you can get advanced access into college, into a 3rd year program. The engineering courses. So we've got 2 of them, right? One of them is called preliminary engineering, and the other one is called engineering technology. Right? So preliminary engineering is for people who are sure that they want to go into university to study engineering. So if you get a distinction in one of your subjects and you get a merit average, you'll be able to go into Trinity College to study a general engineering course. With preliminary engineering, you've got maths, you've got chemistry, you've got mechanics, which is like the maths of physics, and then you've got physics itself. And then there's a small element of practical work as well. You've got work experience, and then you've got your engineering workshop. There's one other practical subject there, and it's CAD, computer-aided drawing, which is basically coming up with using computer software to come up with plans for buildings. So the engineering technology course is basically there for people who know that they want to do something to do with engineering, or they want to do an apprenticeship. So we kind of gear them up to get into work and get into an apprenticeship directly after doing this year. Right. The other option for you is that you can also go into university using the CAO points. So, like with the other courses, there's 8 modules that you have. So you've got maths, of course, but that's QQI Level 5. You've also got engineering workshop, right, and woodworking and electronics. So they're the very much practical based ones. Aside from that, then you've got safety and health, and then you've got communications, work experience. So that is the entire engineering technology course. And so when people do that course, they can use their points to go into a range of courses in college, or you can go basically into an apprenticeship. So there's a work experience module, so where basically you'd be working with someone in the field, and you can either go and do an apprentice with them afterwards, or you could actually use your points that you earned there to get into a university. So there's kind of 2 options there for you. The entry requirements then for the engineering technology are just a leaving cert with 5 passes. So anyone can actually come into that once you have a leaving cert or a leaving cert applied. So that's all the courses that we run here in Coláiste, and hopefully that's a little bit of help to you.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Sullivan. I'm the department head of the Health Science Department in our Kilbarrack campus. Programs that we have in this department in Kilbarrack are pre-university sports science, pre-nursing studies, physiotherapy assistant, occupational therapy assistant. We have a BTEC in nutrition and lifestyle coaching, as well as a program in pre-primary education. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is our pre-nursing course. So the modules that we cover on the program are anatomy, physiology, human growth and development, introduction to nursing studies, care skills and palliative care, as well as work experience and communications. The work experience module gives students a great opportunity to work in different hospitals and nursing homes around Dublin and to get stuck in and see what it's like to actually be a nurse for 2 weeks. The majority of our students are hoping to go to university, so we will help students to fill out CAO forms as well as UCAS applications to the UK. We have 2 links with 2 universities in Scotland, the University of Dundee and the University of Napier. Students will also get the opportunity to do first aid training and a patient handling course, as well as safeguarding of vulnerable adults. So at the end of the year, as well as being able to apply to university, you'll have the opportunity to go straight into the working world and be able to work as a healthcare assistant in lots of different care settings. Our pre-university sports science course, this is another QQI level 5 and it's a 1-year program. The focus of this course is to send and prepare people for university. Some students have interest in going into the working world to work as personal trainers or to work as gym instructors. This course will give you a good overview of that type of work, but you'd have to do additional training after the program. The key modules that we cover on this course are kinesiology, which is biomechanics of the body, so movement of the body. We do sports anatomy and physiology. We do nutrition. We cover exercise and fitness, which is a practical module. We cover communications and work experience. With the work experience, we will give students to go out and take 2 weeks to work in an area that is really of interest to them. So some of our students will go to work in gyms, some will go back to work in secondary schools that have an interest in PE teaching. Some students would also then work alongside physiotherapists, and we also have some students that would go to work in camps throughout the year then as well. Throughout the year we get to go and visit different centres, so we will go rock climbing, we will go on outdoor pursuits as well, just to give students an idea of different types of sports science as well. So different programs that students have progressed to before are into coaching, sports management, also into sport and exercise science. We also run an occupational therapy assistant course as well as a physiotherapy assistant course. Our occupational therapy assistant course is to prepare people to go out into the working world straight after the program. So it will prepare you to work alongside occupational therapists within the HSE or in private settings throughout the country. If you're interested in rehabilitation and supporting people in their homes after illness or after an accident, this might be a really interesting course for you. It's a 1-year course again, it's a QQI level 5. The modules that we cover in it are care skills, rehabilitation support studies. We cover disability studies as well as occupational therapy theory and occupational therapy practice as well. We also do infection prevention and control on this program, and we also do anatomy and physiology as well. As I said already, we have a physiotherapy assistant course. This is a 1-year QQI level 5 program as well, with the idea of sending people straight into the working world to work alongside physios in hospitals, in private settings and in nursing homes as well. Some students have progressed onto university from this program and they've gone on to Saxion University in the Netherlands to study a Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Other students have taken up places in the UK, such as the University of Brighton, and have studied physiotherapy over there. The modules that we cover on this program are sports anatomy and physiology. We cover in detail physiotherapy theory and physiotherapy practice. Students also complete the figure analysis and massage module as well. We cover a lot of care modules as well, so we cover care support, we do care skills, we cover care of the older person, as well as infection prevention and control. The last course I'll talk to you about is pre-primary school teaching. This is an education and training award. It will give you loads of opportunities to apply for different university programs. This course is aimed at students who are interested in going into either primary education or secondary education, or even special needs assistant. If primary education is the side of things that you're interested in, you can come and do this course and then you can gain entry into university once you have the points from your Leaving Cert. We will give you the opportunity to study Irish at a higher level and complete the exam at the end of the year. So it's an extra year to prepare yourself for university as well as repeating your Irish exam. The modules included on the Education and Training Award are Communications, Concepts in Education and Training, Interpersonal and Group Behaviour, Research and Study Skills, Approaches to Early Childhood Education, Psychology and Children with Additional Needs. We'd also ask students to participate in a 2-week work experience programme in a local school.
Hi, my name is Paul O'Reilly. I'm the department head in the social care department here at Coláiste. In this department we have 2 courses, social care and early childcare. Both courses are 2-year QQI level 6 courses. If you choose to study these courses with us, you'll be looking at a mix of psychology-based modules and practice-based modules which prepare you for more specific work settings. And on the social care course, you'll also look at some sociological or social studies type modules. The childcare course have big work placement components which usually run in blocks over the course of the 2 years. In terms of feedback we get from past students, they often mention how well it prepared them for either their degree courses or the workplace. Specifically, they mention small class sizes and the benefit of the more personalised attention and tuition they get from the tutors in the social care department. In terms of progression, many students go on to level 7, level 8 degree courses in Dublin or further afield, sometimes with advanced entry into the second year of the course. Some students elect to go straight into employment with their level 6 qualification. In the area of social care, this might mean working with people with addictions, caring for the homeless, caring for those with disabilities, caring for the elderly. In relation to childcare, level 6 qualification might allow you to be a supervisor or a room leader in a variety of early childcare settings. Some go on to be SNAs also. In terms of entry requirements, we usually look for a minimum of 06 level Leaving Cert English and a strong interest in the area, whether that's social care or childcare.
Hello, my name is Emma Barry and I am head of our Performing Arts department in Coláiste. We have 2 areas of study in our department, which are Theatre with Performing Arts and Hairdressing. And I'm here today to tell you a little bit about both. So I'll begin with our Theatre with Performing Arts course. Our entry criteria for this course is the Leaving Certificate or Leaving Cert applied. We also accept approved prior learning and mature students are welcome. Applicants are then invited for interview and audition. If successful, students will go into a 1-year programme where they will receive a higher national certificate. If successful with the higher national certificate, students can go on to year 2 where they will receive a higher national diploma. The modules we cover over the 2 years are modules such as acting, voice and speech development, professional development, stage management, singing, the professional project and much more. Some of our past alumni have went on to become actors, writers, directors, costume designers and stage managers. Most recently, a student of ours was the writer of Darklands, which was on Virgin Media. So what happens when you're finished your HNC or HND? Well, students have the opportunity to further their studies with us in Coláiste. We offer a BA Honours top-up degree in drama, which is accredited by the University of Wolverhampton. This is a part-time course that is run in our Kilbarrack campus. So now let's talk about our hairdressing courses. First, we have our QQI Level 5 Pre-Apprenticeship Programme. This course is designed to give students the opportunities to develop key hairdressing skills. The course is run in our Kilbarrack campus in our fully equipped modern salon. There is also an academic element to this course, which include modules such as hairdressing science, hairdressing theory, customer service, health and safety at work, and work experience. Our pre-apprenticeship programme is suitable for candidates who don't meet the criteria to begin an apprenticeship. It's also suitable for candidates who may not be quite ready to enter a salon environment. The course is 1 year, and if successful and all criteria are met, we can offer students a direct pathway into our brand new exciting apprenticeship programme. Our National Hairdressing Apprenticeship was launched this year. This award is a level 6 and the duration is 3 years. Applicants must have a QQI Level 4 Major Award or 2 full-time years working in a salon. Candidates who are successful in our QQI Level 5 programme have direct entry. 80% of this course is on the job in a salon with your employer, while 20% of this course is with us in Coláiste Dúlaigh for training and education. Students will cover cutting, colour, styling, perming, careers in education and much more. We are so excited to be offering this brand new apprenticeship programme.
Hi, my name is Zainab Carroll and I am the Department Head for Outdoor Education here at Coláiste Dúlaigh College of Further Education. So the first course I want to talk to you about is Youth Activity Worker. This course marries the two ideas of youth work and outdoor learning. When you come and study with us, we're going to cover things like youth work theory, we're going to talk about young people in society, we're going to look at all of those theoretical ideas behind how do we work with young people, how do we understand what their experience is in our world, and how do we help them to be successful within our society. And we do that through using outdoor activities. So you will do a module called Adventure Activities, and that's where you look at all of the different adventurous activities and sports that there are out there and how those might help you in engaging young people in a youth work setting. Things like rock climbing, kayaking, forest schools, environmental activities, and lots of different variety all the way in between. The types of things that graduates from our program would do after is some students will go on and study further. So we've had students move to Maynooth and do the Youth and Community Work degree there. And we've also had students who have gotten employment in youth services after their work experience here on our course. So the entry requirements for our course are the completion of your Leaving Cert. Within the Department of Outdoor Education here, we also have an Outdoor Adventure Education course. This course is made up of 3 different years. The first year, which is a QQI Level 5, is called Outdoor Sport and Recreation. And this course focuses primarily on you gaining the skills you need to be safe, happy, and comfortable in the outdoors. So we do lots of things like getting out into the hills, hill walking, we do kayaking, we do sailing, we do windsurfing. And what we also do on par with that is we look at the theory behind why we enjoy these activities, how we can be safe while taking part in the activities, and how we might introduce our friends or family into these activities as well. In the second year of our course, you will take part in a higher national certificate in sport with a focus on outdoor adventure. But what becomes even more important is the theoretical ideas behind those activities. So you are now moving into the realm of becoming an instructor, and partnered with that, we start to look at more in-depth ideas around outdoor learning, environmental issues and ethics, and how those things impact the way you engage with people in the outdoors. You get the opportunity to really explore the concepts of risk and safety management and how the sport landscape in general shapes the way that you can work with people in an outdoor adventure context. Third year of our course, which is a higher national diploma in sports with a focus on outdoor adventure management, takes you even further down this path. You can take part in numerous activities and see yourself progress your instructor qualifications to an even higher standard. At that time as well, we move further into the theoretical ideas behind why we work with people in the outdoors, how we can work with them, and what we can do to make their experiences as beneficial and enjoyable as possible. In addition to that, you will complete a research project, which gives you the skills that you'll need to engage in critical thinking around what we do in the outdoors, why we do it that way, and how we might do things differently in the future. Graduates from our 3-year course often get jobs in outdoor and adventure centres. They can get access to work both here in Ireland and abroad all over the world. You also have the opportunity to work in forest schools, youth services, and many other occupations that see the benefit of having outdoor learning expertise as part of their skill set. Our graduates have gone on to study further also. They have achieved ordinary degrees, honours degrees, master's degrees, and even PhDs. So there's lots of opportunity for progression, both practically in the world of work, but also if you want to further yourself through more and higher education. The entry requirements for our course are Leaving Cert. Additionally though, if you're someone who has completed some academic qualifications previously and also have experience in the outdoors, there's the potential to gain direct entry into our second or third year if you have the appropriate experience. And you can talk to us about that if that's something you're interested in doing.
Hi, my name's Sharon and I work in the Business and Tourism Department here at Coláiste. In the Business and Tourism Department, we challenge both ourselves and our students to strive for success. We believe that success comes not from luck, but from preparation and attention to detail. Our philosophy is when you learn, you succeed. Our Business Studies 2-year programme leads to a QQI Level 6 Certificate in Business Studies. This course prepares you for a wide variety of careers in areas that can include banking, finance, marketing, digital marketing, and human resource management. The course covers a wide variety of subjects, which include modules such as marketing, digital marketing, business management, economics, finance, spreadsheets, and human resource management. Tourism and Marketing is a 2-year award which leads to a QQI Level 6 award in tourism marketing. This award prepares you for a variety of employment opportunities that include sectors such as airlines, hotels, tour operators, travel agencies, and sales and marketing. Subjects covered include marketing, digital marketing, tourism policy, tourism principles and practice, reception and frontline skills, customer service, and Irish culture and heritage. Our tourism students are offered the opportunity throughout the 2-year programme to apply for the Erasmus Overseas Work Placement Programme, which gives them the opportunity to undertake their work experience abroad.
Hi, my name is Gavin Harris. I'm a teacher in Coláiste College of Further Education and I work in the IT department. Our IT department has 3 courses. They are Computer Science, Networking Technologies, and IT Technician. The first course that I want to talk about is Computer Science. Computer Science has a heavy emphasis on programming. Programming of choice for us is Java. On this course, students can find themselves studying fundamentals of programming, object-oriented programming, as well as networking, web authoring, web design, and some soft skills, communications and work experience. Successful students can find themselves using our direct links to colleges, so TUD, NCI and ITB, or if students wish, they can go into industry where they can become computer scientists, computer technicians, or analysts or programmers. The second course in the IT department is Computer Networking Technologies, a 2-year course, QQI Level 5 and Level 6. Students can find themselves studying up to 8 modules per year, and they can include networking, system software, physical and logical networking, and networking infrastructure. There's a heavy emphasis on networking. We also use the latest software, open source software where possible. Successful students on this course can apply to our direct link to TU Dublin into the Networking Technologies course in the Level 8. Or some students may find themselves going into industry where they can work as network administrators or IT technicians or IT support. You can specialise and work in cybersecurity if you wish. The third course we have is IT Technician, a 1-year QQI Level 5 course. Some of the modules they'll find themselves doing on IT Technician would be Networking Essentials, Programming Design Principles, Communications, Work Experience. This course gives students a solid foundation in IT where they can progress into an apprenticeship with a company called FIT, or they can progress into one of our Year 2s, Networking Technologies. The third course is IT Technician. IT Technician is a 1-year QQI Level 5 course. IT Technician aims to give students a solid fundamental understanding of information technology. Some of the modules that students will study on Level 5 is Networking Essentials, Programming Design Principles, as well as some soft skills, communications and work experience. There's a total of 8 modules. IT Technician is also supported by a company called FIT. FIT aims to get students ready for industry. FIT supports students by providing CV skills and interview techniques. Students who are successful with IT Technician can apply through FIT for their apprenticeship programs, or they can apply for our Level 6 in Networking Technologies.
Hello, welcome to the Art and Design Department at Coláiste. My name's Aisling Brunel and today I'll talk to you about some of the courses we run here at the Raheny campus. We have art and design portfolio preparation, architectural design and technology, interior design, graphic design, and we also have a fashion design course. We have a 1-year program, which is an art and design portfolio. This is a 1-year course, which enables students to hone their design and drawing skills to build a very full portfolio to gain entry into third level university. They will also go on work placement, and this is encouraged on all of our first year courses as part of the Level 5 QQI award. We also run a 1-year architecture and technology portfolio course. This is also a Level 5 QQI award. During this year, students again will work on a portfolio. They will focus on skills like CAD, computer-aided design, architectural drawing, design skills, and appreciation of art and design. They will also do communications and work experience, where they can gain placement in an architect's office. We also run a 3-year program in interior design. Interior design has a 1-year QQI Level 5 entry course. This course gives all the skills necessary for students to learn interior design and 3D design. So they will work on, again, CAD, drawing skills, technical drawing, and then other creative skills such as surface design, materials and finishes, colour and light. Students can then come on to our Higher National Diploma, which is a 2-year course we run in conjunction with Pearson's. This course has 16 modules over the 2 years, and students gain excellent knowledge in the area of interior design. So our graphic design program is also a 3-year program. It starts with a 1-year foundation in graphic design. This is a QQI Level 5 award, and students will gain valuable skills in the area of graphic design and visual communications. They will then gain entry into our 2-year Higher National Diploma. On this course, subjects like typography, layout, web design, web authoring form part of this program. Students learn skills such as collaborative project, they learn to work in professional practice, and they also will work on live projects and competitions. This goes for all of our 3-year programs. We try and get students ready for industry. Most of our students will then go on and do a 1-year top-up degree, or they will continue on to advanced entry in the likes of TU Dublin. We have excellent links with the universities, and students gain advanced entry into many courses around Ireland and international. At the end of these 3 years, we run an end-of-year competition in a high-profile location, and students work together as a team to create an industry standard exhibition where they can showcase work to industry and create a portfolio which helps them gain employment or further education. So that leads me on to our last course, which is a 2-year fashion design program. So students work in fashion design and styling and merchandising. On this course, students gain knowledge in pattern cutting, pattern drafting, and they also learn how to be creative and work in design development. We have work placement on this course, and students have worked backstage for famous designers such as Paul Costello, Louise Kennedy, and so on.
Hi, my name is Lorraine Harton, and I'm a tutor here in the Media Department of Coláiste College of Further Education. So I want to just tell you a little bit about the courses that we offer here. So we offer 7 HND and QQI courses and 3 top-up degrees. All of the courses that we offer are really, really practical, and all of the tutors on the course come from an industry background as well. So you're getting a combination of not just theory, but also practical work as well when you study media in Coláiste. Animation is a 3-year course. It's a 1-year QQI followed by a 2-year HND. The course covers a broad range of topics from digital animation to animation principles to 2D animation, 3D animation, compositioning, as well as scripting and storyboarding. So you get to look at all different areas of animation. As well as that, graduates from this course have also gone on to work in places like Boulder Media and Jam Media, which are some of the biggest animation companies in the country. Our film production course, it's a 2-year HND course, and it's for people who are really interested in in all aspects of film, whether that's drama or documentary. So we focus specifically on film. So over the 2 years, you learn everything about filmmaking, from script writing to producing to directing to lighting to sound and to editing. A broad range of topics from experienced tutors, and there's a mixture between theoretical and also practical modules as well. And every student also gets the chance to make their own film during the course as well. So it's ideal for anybody who's really interested in filmmaking specifically. So a lot of our graduates from the film HND have gone on to work in areas of film afterwards. So whether that's in drama or documentary or TV, we've had great success with our graduates from the film course. We also offer a BA in film and TV production. So if you do the 2-year HND in film, you are eligible to apply for the BA in film and TV production, which is run by the University of Wolverhampton. Okay, so we also offer a course called Media Production, and media production is ideal for people who are interested in all different types of media. So whether that's film or TV or radio or podcasts, anything like that. So if you know you're interested in media, but you don't know if it's film specifically that you want to get into, our media production course could be the best thing for you. So it is a 3-year course. It's a 1-year QQI followed by a 2-year HND. So over the course of the 3 years, you cover a broad range of topics. We're looking at TV production and sound and TV studio production, as well as editing and radio production as well. So by the end of it, then you also get to make a documentary, and by the end of the 3 years you can figure out what area specifically you'd like to specialize in, and then your final project will be based on that. So once you finish your 3-year HND in media production, you're also eligible to apply for the BA in film and TV production, which is run in Coláiste in conjunction with the University of Wolverhampton. So we offer a course in journalism, which is a 2-year HND course, and while the focus is specifically on writing, it also covers areas like radio production and television presenting as well. So for anybody who's interested in getting into journalism in either online, print, radio or TV, this is a really good course for you. So over the course of the 2 years, you'll get some real world experience with journalists who are working in the field all the time, as well as actually getting to go to the courts where you can write up court reports. You're constantly writing articles, you're practicing what it's like to be a journalist on the radio, to be a journalist on TV. So it's a brilliant course for anybody who has a very investigative mind, is interested in writing. Once you're finished with this HND, a lot of our graduates have gone straight into the working in the world of journalism. You can also apply for our BA in Broadcasting and Journalism, which we run here in Coláiste, and it's run in conjunction with the University of Wolverhampton, which is a 1-year top-up degree. So we offer a 1-year QQI level 6 course in photography. So this is ideal for anyone who's interested in becoming a working photographer. After the first year, you can go straight into working as a photographer, or you can get advanced entry into photography degrees in DIT or IADT, depending on interview and portfolio. So photography is a fantastic 1-year practical course that covers the areas of studio photography, documentary photography, digital imaging, as well as studio portraiture. So it covers a broad range of topics, and by the time you're finished with the 1 year, you can go straight into working as a photographer. We also offer a 1-year QQI level 5 course in creative writing. So this is for anyone who's interested in writing primarily fiction, but once you do this course, then you can actually progress into either our journalism HND or also our media HND as well. So if you're interested in writing short stories, poetry or long form articles, but you're not sure exactly whether you want to specialize in journalism, for example, this would be a really good course to start off in. It's kind of a way of you to kind of flex your writing muscles, and then after that, then once you've kind of got to do that for a year, got to experience that for a year, you can apply for our other courses here, such as journalism or media production, or even film production if you decide that script writing is for you. So we also offer a course in Coláiste called Social Media Influencers. And what this course actually does, it's more like a digital marketing course. There's a lot of people out there now who have brands online, or they have companies online. So whether it's yourself or your own company that you have an idea for, or your own brand that you want to promote online, this course is really good for anybody who wants to learn how to create content, create interesting content for yourself or for your brand, and how to promote yourself online and get it out there online. Everything is going online now, so if you have an idea for a brand or an idea for a company that you would like to start out, this particular course is ideal for you to create content that will advertise your particular brand or company and also promote it online. So once you finish our 1 year QQI courses in the media department, whether that's photography or creative writing or social media influencer, you're then eligible to apply for our HND courses in media production, journalism or film production.
My name is Zoe Redmond and I am a designer from Coolock. I started doing the social media influencer course in Coláiste because I had an interest in promoting myself online more, and this course has definitely given me those tools. We learn how to use Photoshop, Illustrator. It's actually a really hands-on course. We get to use all of the camera equipment. Because everything is online at the moment, this course has really shown me that it's so important to promote yourself online and know how to make a website, what kind of content to put up of yourself online, how to write about yourself in different kind of areas.